Hi, today I'm going to show you how I make my ginger bag. The purpose for a ginger bag is to be able to make ginger ale as well as other sodas from it, especially if you are trying to stop drinking soda. This is very good because it's healthy, it has probiotics, and you get the carbonation also naturally. So what I do, I add 2 tablespoons of sugar to 2 tablespoons of ginger. I have 4 cups of water in there. I give it a good stir and then I cover with a filter paper and secure it with a rubber band or the ring that comes with the jar. You can also use a cheesecloth to cover it. This is so that the good bacteria is able to breathe and at the same time prevent bugs or other stuff from entering it. That's why you have to cover it with a cheesecloth or a filter paper. And remember to keep this in a dark place away from direct sunlight. And what you're going to do for the next 4 to 8 days is to feed this every day with 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon ginger. This is how it will look like on the well, for me, this is how it looked like on the sixth day. It can take up to between 4 and 8 days. So for me, because of the condition of my house, it took me 6 days. It may vary depending on how your place is. Now let's make our ginger ale. So I have sugar, ginger, lemon juice, and the peel of the lemon. I actually use 1 lime and 1 lemon. I will put the correct measurements in the link. Here is my hot water, boiling water. I add my ginger and I'm going to add my lemon peel. I'm going to allow it to boil. As soon as it boils, I will lower the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes and then switch it off. While it's still warm, I will add sugar and then add the remaining water to cool it. This is so that if I add the ginger bag, it won't be too hot that it kills the ginger bag. So that's what I'm doing here. I cooled it and now I'm adding my lemon juice. Remember to add the lemon juice after you, not while you are boiling. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of molasses. It's optional. It's just to add some minerals to it. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of salt, sea salt. You can use pink salt if you prefer. Here I'm straining my wort, the ginger tea that I made, and I'm adding my ginger bag. I'll put the correct measurements for you, but the rule is to always use 1/4 cup to 4 cups. And then I fill my bottles and leave it out on my counter for about 2 to 3 days. Remember to burp it every day so that it doesn't explode when you open it. This is how it will look like when it's ready. I left it out for 3 days and it was actually ready on the second day, but I left it out for 3 days. So this is how it looks like. And it's ready to be drunk. You can chill it in the fridge. Cheers. This is soda that I made with pineapple juice. I will show you how to make this in another video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.